Hello, welcome. As we discussed in the classroom, that based on that only, I'm going to provide you the experiment number 8, which is basically division expression based program, and it is completely depending on the module number 4, chapter number 2 topics. So basically, in that you are going to utilize the knowledge or the skills which you have gained from the assertion and the file related exception handling task that you are going to apply to implement this program. Okay, so first let me share the syllabus so that you can understand what the program is. So I'm highlighting the 8 number program. Write a function. Mind it here. Write a function. You have to create the function by using def keyword. No? Write a function named divEx means division expression, which takes two parameters a and b and return the value uh, c, which is means c equals to a divided by b. Write suitable assertion for a is greater than 0 in function divExp and raise an exception for when b equals to 0. Develop a suitable program which reads two values from the console and calls a function DivExp. So it's very simple program. Now I'm taking you back again on the VS Code, and there only directly I will write the code, and by that only I will explain. Okay. Hardly it will take 5 minutes to make you understand. So let me take one file. File name will be I will give 8.py. I'm in the same folder, Python lab, where we are making the lab programs. The same order you have to also create the programs. Okay. So just allow me 1 second so that I can break the lines easily. We can read it. Okay. So this is uh, the program which you have to write. Okay. So better let me take uh, multi-line comment so that it is easy to read. Okay. Understood. Now, what I will do here. So basically, to write the program, first I let me snooze of I mean my AI now. What I will do first, I will create one function called as DivEx, the same name given, the same name I have taken. Now, again in the program, it is telling that to take two parameters a and b. So I will pass inside this DivEx method a and b, these two parameters. Understood? Now, what basically here I will do, I will do here the function. See, I'm writing here task. This is called as doc string. Okay, divides the function divides value the function divide value a by b, right? So this is the task. After this, what it will demonstrate, basically this will demonstrate assertion. Today only I talked about, and exception handling. This also we have studied multiple times. Exception handling. Okay. So these two phenomena you are going to use to perform the code. Okay. Now inside the function only. Okay. First, I will write the code to check the assertion. Okay. And you know assertion is a sanity check, which is beginning only with cross verify. So assertion check or sanity check. What I will check here, the value of a must be 0. The value of a must be 0. You see here, it is given in your program. Okay, the same task I am going to apply. So how I will do? So for that, I will use the assert keyword. After that, I will write a is greater than 0, comma. Okay. In next line, I will write something. I'm not going to write. So I used this method. Then here I will use formatting a string, and then I will write assertion error. Okay, assertion. Let me use properly. Assertion error. Okay, this I will write. After that, I will write A must be greater than 0, comma, but got, okay, let's say A. Fine. Now, now after this, checking again, next task, I checked assertion. Now I will checking division error. Fine. Checking division error. Checking division error, you can say divide by 0. Okay. Divide by 0. Might you can see that. Okay. Exception. Divide by 0. Okay. The same line. I'm going to check. How to check? See. If B equals to 0. So write down. So raise exception. Okay. Raise exception. The today only we studied. So raise zero division error. Fine. And write B cannot be 0. Fine. So this I have raised. Now then come out from that and return A divided by B. Fine. So till here I hope you got the idea. Now after writing this is the program actually completed here only. But since exception handling we have to apply. So try. Okay. Or else do one thing. I will let you know. Or else, okay, fine. You take inside the try block and then write down, take user input. Okay. Take user input. Let's say one variable A and let's take a float value. Okay. Float value and take from user input and write down here, enter value of B, sorry, A, enter value of A. Fine. Copy it. Copy it. Now, similarly, I will take another input, the second input B. Okay, let's say B. After this, once you are done with this, take third variable called as result and store in that A divided by, or else call the function directly. Since we have already written, call the function. Okay, and while calling, there are two parameters A comma P. Fine. I hope you got the idea. Means arguments. Now displaying it. So I will display. See, logic you are understanding. So that's why I'm writing the same way, the way it is there in the lab manual. Okay. So I will use formatting string, and I wanted to print from the new line. So I will write here result. The result. Okay. So I will write like that, and then A divide by B. Fine. Equals to result. What variable I have taken? The same variable I use, result. Next, I will do the till 4 decimal. I will accept the value. So dot 4F. This is floating point. Okay. Now, once you are done, any mistake? Any mistake? Why this is throwing error? 1 second, guys. Let me cross verify. So here I forgot to close the bracket. Okay, I closed it. Here I opened and here I went. Okay, okay, okay. I closed here only. That's why. So remove this, go here, and at last you can close. Okay, fine. Now come out from the try block and now accept your error. accept your exception. And first exception, assertion error as E. Okay, alias I used. Rather writing assertion error completely, I will use E. And here I will print in the format string format, backslash n. Okay, assertion error. Okay, assertion error. And then pass the E. Okay, now close the bracket. Okay, here. Okay, fine. That is correct only. Just take double. Okay. Now you have one exception. Now second exception handling. For that also I will write except and then zero division error, because two conditions we have taken from the beginning as E for the zero division error. And here I will write print and I will take a string and then I will write backslash n because I wanted to take my output from new line. Zero division error, zero division error, and then I will write E. Now come out from this example. And one more, you can expect that value error. And this is question from you when we are using the value error. Okay, I'm writing here, you will come down now. Print backslash n and then value error. Okay, value error, enter valid numeric interval numeric values. Okay, I hope you are understood. So this is where we have completed the program, entire program. It's a quite easy program. You have declared one function called as DivExp and two parameters you have passed A and B, and you want to perform with the help of assertion and exception handling. Assertion means sanity check. Beginning only wanted to try to validate the condition. As per given condition, A must be greater than 0, and if it is b, I mean b value is 0, so if a by b you are doing, so you can't divide by 0 since it is a mathematically incorrect in Python. Here you are taking the both a and b parameters from the user input, then you are calling the function here and you're storing the results, and then you are just a formula you have decided. Then after that you are accepting assertion error, zero division error, and value error. Let me run it. When I execute it, it is asking the value. Let's say 10. Okay, let's say 10. And let's say b value 2. If you divide, you will get result like, see here only we have defined in the formula a. So 10.0 right now, b 2.0. If you divide till 4 decimal, it will return. You see here 10.0 divided by 2.0, but this is result. Now I have to highlight these three conditions also. So again, three times I will run. Again, okay, what is it is telling? Syntax error in line 6. No, everything is fine. Let me run it again. Yeah, it is asking value. Okay, now this time I will run it. This time I will get the some minus value, means I will check the condition. Assert a is greater than 0. First here only I will make it fail. If it is 0, what it will tell? I should get this output right now. You see here. Oh, sorry. Here. It is asking value, let's say b. Now you see assertion error. Assertion error, a must be greater than 0, but got minus 5.0. This is what we have written. Understood? So two ways you have checked. Now one more way I will try to run it. You see, again it is asking value of a. This time I will give 10 and b value I will get 0. As soon as b value I will get 0, you see b equals to 0, condition is true. So I should get b cannot be 0. Okay, let me run it. You see, zero division error, b cannot be 0. Okay, and this is linked with the these conditions only. Okay. Now, one more way I will try to run the invalid input I will give. So value error I will satisfy here. Sorry. Let me run it. A value, let's say ABC, BC, value error. Here only you got value error, invalid numeric value you are giving. That's why it is not working. So this is how you have to run the program, and this is all about. See, these all outputs you have to write in your lab record properly. Please understand this all entire code. Okay, this is here I have written in front of you only. I declared function. I want to check assertion and I want to demonstrate the exception handling. First, I will apply assert a is greater than 0. Beginning only, you will, if get the invalid value, it will check and it will take you out. If divisor, if b equals to 0, definitely it is mathematically wrong. It will not work in the Python. So this zero division error you will get. Then you are holding these errors through the try and except block because you don't want to crash your program. So better to push the condition inside the try and except block. And here three except I have applied. One is assertion error, zero division error, and value error. And all the conditions I have satisfied how to run this. Okay. So this is the entire program. It is on your screen, and how to run I have shown. Please practice it and make of use of these things and practice in such a way so that in your exam you are able to apply properly. Those who attended today's class, they are able to apply this logic. Please prepare a record till experiment number 8 and bring it. Okay, bring it one by one. Make sure all the running code in your system and your record together you come and get the signature and evaluation. Okay, I'm just stopping the here only. Okay, and make use of